in becoming a data engineer but not sure where to start, there are three steps guide I would like to discuss with you. So, my name is Rajendra with 15 years of data related experience. On top of consulting around data engineering, I also provide training through SST as well. And here are the steps that need to be followed to become a successful data engineer. They are applicable to everyone. Foundation and essential are covered as a part of my data engineering essential hands-on training, and you can keep watch this space to get more information about that. So what are going to be the step one is to lay the foundation to become a data engineer. So these are the applicable to everyone, and also one need to be comfortable with Linux as well, I would say. So you need to learn Python. It is mandatory to learn Python. You should have a good programming experience using Python as well. So what kind of things we should learn in Python is, let's say, collections, list set, dictionary tuples, the list similar to array, dict is similar to nested table in PL or SQL, yeah. Then database specific libraries we need to know, like CX underscore Oracle for Oracle, PostgreSQL. Then to read or write file, database specific library, request to deal with REST API as well. We need to be comfortable with Linux as well, as most of us are from a window background. It can be a bit frustrating initially to become comfortable with Linux, but you have to overcome that by spending some quality time to make yourself comfortable with Linux, especially using terminal. You need to be proficient with SQL. You'll be using SQL quite a bit, so it's better you should master of that. Creating a table and indexes, filtering data and using predefined functions, joining multiple tables and aggregation, windowing and analytic function, get ranks, cumulative aggregation, etc. If we talk about the step two, then you need to build the essential to be a data engineer. Once you have the foundation, then you need to build essential skills such as Spark, Kafka, Airflow to crack the data engineering interviews. So I'll be posting one article or one YouTube video as well on how you can crack the data engineering interview as well. So you need to learn Spark, which is just Python-based library that provide distributed computing capability. You need to learn both Spark SQL as well as DataFrame API as well. You can learn Kafka while Spark provide you the ability to build batch pipeline. Building streaming pipeline is also a very common use case. Kafka provide you the required capability to build streaming pipeline. You need to learn Airflow as well. While Spark is used for ETL, Airflow is used for workflow, as well as scheduling as well. It is similar to any of the standard enterprise workflow and scheduler one might have already familiar with. Step three, I would say be pro, with data engineering on cloud. So let's say you can learn cloud basic. You can start with AWS or Azure or GCP. GCP is also good, but bit less preferred. Then you understand the tool like ADF. In AWS, we have tool like Glue. Explore Databricks. It is Spark-based distribution that is available on AWS as well as on Azure. Learn integration with tool like ADF as well. You learn Snowflake and Synapse on Azure. If you decide to go with AWS, I would suggest you go with Snowflake and Redshift. On top of this, you should be familiar with Git, CI/CD, etc. as well. You should be able to pick up easily once you learn fundamental and essential skills. So these are the insight about Python data engineering. And if you have any questions and query, you can definitely put down in the comment section. Thank you so much.